In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a professional portfolio bio with Grok AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank page to a clean professional bio you can use on your website, LinkedIn, or portfolio. First, open Grok AI. You can use the official website in your browser or launch the Grok AI app on your device. Give it a moment to load so everything initializes properly. Once you're in, open the chat interface. This is where you'll type your information and prompts. If the chat doesn't appear right away, look for a chat icon or a new chat button to start fresh. Before we continue, a quick note to make your life easier. You'll find the official website link, and if you're on mobile, the download link for the app, right at the top of the description below. Use those links to get to the correct place quickly and safely. Now, provide your details in the chat input box. Keep it focused and relevant. Your name, your profession or field, a few key skills, and 1 to 3 notable achievements. You can also include your industry, years of experience, and a hint about your style, whether you're more formal, creative, or somewhere in between. Avoid adding any sensitive information. There's no need for private data here. Short, clear sentences or a compact list work well and help the model understand you faster. Next, ask Grok to create a portfolio bio. A simple prompt like, "Create a professional portfolio bio for me using the details above," works great. If you already know the platform or tone you prefer, include that in the same prompt. For example, make it 2 to 3 sentences for a portfolio website, or write it in a confident but friendly tone. Grok will generate a polished draft in seconds. Read it carefully, make sure it sounds like you, reflects your strengths accurately, and fits the audience you're targeting. Watch for jargon or claims that feel too generic, and note any phrases you'd like to adjust. If you want changes, refine it with another prompt. Ask Grok to shorten it for tight layouts, expand it for a fuller about section, or adjust the voice. More energetic, more formal, or more conversational. You can also ask for variations to compare, such as a first-person version and a third-person version, and then choose what fits best. That's how you can quickly create a professional portfolio bio using Grok AI. Thanks for watching.